Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in PayPal training, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding what PayPal investments entail. Research the different investment options available within PayPal. Visit the official PayPal website to familiarize yourself with their investment features. Create a PayPal account if you don't already have one. Ensure your account is verified by providing the necessary identification documents. Explore PayPal's available financial services such as stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. Consider your investment goals and risk tolerance before proceeding. Choose a specific investment type that aligns with your financial objectives. Once decided, navigate to the investment section on the PayPal platform. Review the available assets and conduct thorough research on each option. Analyze historical performance and market trends related to your selected investments. Use PayPal's tools to track market fluctuations in real time. Set a budget for how much you wish to invest. Determine whether you will be investing a lump sum or using dollar cost averaging. Execute your investment by entering the amount you wish to invest in your chosen asset. Confirm the transaction by reviewing the details carefully before finalizing. Monitor your investments regularly through your PayPal account dashboard. Stay updated on market news that could impact your investments. Make adjustments to your portfolio as needed based on performance and your financial strategy. Consider consulting with a financial advisor if you have questions or uncertainties. Continue educating yourself about investment strategies and market conditions. Develop a long-term investment plan that aligns with your overall financial goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.